Again, Pristine Baseball Bird, first break of the night, 34-64. We are full. Good luck. Dice roll 11 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Guardians up top. Padres at the bottom. Yeah, I got your order in there, Steve. I'll update it after this break. 11 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 here, 11 here. Chris Kostick up top. Josh Cox at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Guardians didn't sort. They stayed at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. First break of the night. Good luck. First time I've opened this, so bear with me. Good luck, good luck. Topps Pristine. Rafael Devers for the Red Sox. 33 out of 50. Going to Tremaine Winters. I forgot about this. David Villar for the Giants. Again, bear with me. First box I've opened. I forgot they do. The pack inside the pack. Brady Singer for the Royals. Literally, pack inside the pack. Good luck, good luck. Soto, Wright, Tatis, Tristan Casas, Bichette, JD Martinez, Gunnar Henderson on the refractor rookie for the Orioles. There's packs within packs. Ain't no doubt, Steve, ain't no doubt. Freddie Freeman. Go to the Dodgers. Trying to get both of them out of here. Cards on the inside. We got Jason Varitek, refractor, and a Steve Carlton on the purple /99. The Phillies. 54 out of 99. Good luck. Got die cut coming up. Woodruff, Alejandro Kirk, Frank Thomas, Paul Blackburn, Mike Trout. Oh, snap. That's a sweet-looking card. Nice hit there for the Angels. He's got those Angels. Tony Blackwell. This stuff's nice, man. Oh, snap on the die cut. Mike Trout. Again, we do have 4 boxes of this loaded on the site. Half case breaks. First ink. Kyle Tucker for the Astros on the blue auto. That is 17 out of 75 Astros going to Tom Hall on the Kyle Tucker. Got 3 cards in this one. Teoscar Hernandez, game used on the Jersey ink for the Mariners. That's crazy that they just put it in the, it's just sitting on top of the other pack. Hernandez around the diamond. Again, that is not numbered for the Mariners. That is just, it's weird. I mean, I get the pack inside a pack thing, but like you would think the relic would be inside the real pack, not the fake one. That's just me. Devers, Altuve, Ozzie, Cody Clemens, going, gone, David Ortiz. For the Red Sox. Next up, Bryce Harper for the Phillies on the blue. 37 out of 75. Stuff's nice, guys. Again, those half cases should absolutely fly. They're both already halfway full. We got Scherzer and Jake Cronenworth on the refractors. Aguero, Freeman, Vladdy, Brett Beatty on the refractor rookie for the Mets. Again, one bundle left on the site if nobody's taken it yet. Tovar for the Rockies on the rookie Pulsar. Colorado going to Josh Cox. Max Kepler, Tim Anderson. To 99, he's got a weak jaw. White Sox and Ibby. Garrett Hill, Hunter Brown, Jordan Alvarez, going, gone. Aaron Judge for the Yanks. Last pack. I forgot Steve already took. That is disgusting. 38 out of 50. Alex Bregman, gold, snap, auto. Astros doing work in Tom Hall. That is a beautiful card. Die cut ink. Snap to 50. I forgot Steven already took the last bundle. Again, we're doing the Colossal Hit Draft next. Sorry about that, Steve. Bryce Harper, Larry Walker. This stuff is loaded, man. This half case should fly. And take your spots. This stuff is super nice. Oh my goodness, we got another snap. It looks like another gold to 50. What are we doing? Mookie, snap, gold to 50. 23 out of 50 on the snap die cut. For the Dodgers, Mookie Betts. Man, those are nice. 23 out of 50. And a Paul Goldschmidt going, gone. Recap time. Lots to recap. That's a big stack for an early bird break. Got Mookie to 50. Alex Bregman auto to 50. Anderson to 99. Tovar, Brett Beatty. Harper. Villar, Teoscar Hernandez around the diamond. Kyle Tucker auto. Trout. Carlton, Freeman, Gunnar, and Devers to 50. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. I figured it was, Steve. That's disgusting, man. That's a big hit.